Hello everyone, I am the Product Manager of Embedded Systems from IEI. Welcome to What's New on IEI Embedded World 2020. In this section, I will be giving you a brief go-through of how our embedded systems products could be applied in the industrial industry. Let's take a look. You know how one product is just not made from one part, but many different and each essential elements build a product. It is the same as in a factory, so to speak. Various machines and equipment do their specific task, but yet all work corporately to keep the factory going. And now, as Industrial 4.0 continue booming, it is not just merely how to put your machines together, but how they can communicate smartly and maximize the efficiency and accuracy of your production line. IEI has provided a series of product lines which can cover across the factory. Small box PCs for IoT gateways or displaying real-time dashboards. High-performance panel PCs serving as human-machine interface. Robust panel PC for harsh environment. High-end systems for edge server and private network. Just quick mentioning, we also provide storage server to build your own private cloud, although it is not shown up here. So in all these products, I will spend a bit more time to quick guide you through IEI's embedded systems and what roles can they act in industrial automation. As you know, that people nowadays are looking deeper in the Industrial 4.0, going more for artificial intelligence, machine vision, and deep learning. These technologies require a large amount of data to get the analysis done. But the problem is every data necessary to be pushed up to your cloud? It is in fact the analytics that need to perform for these tasks are actually happening farther out from the data centers. Edge servers are physically close to the systems or applications that are creating the data being stored on or used by the server. So basically, edge servers plays a role to make the computational decisions ahead of time, sending only filtered data to the cloud, saving both time and money. Our Tank series could work as an awesome edge server, high-performance CPU platform, luxurious IOs, and contain multiple expansion slots, perfect to slot in add-on cards to run AI inference models, assisting your cloud to reduce workload and get data organized and filtered faster. There are 3 production lines for IEI small box PC. We have the DIN Rail Box PC, DRPC series, Ultra Compact Box PC, ITG series, and Multiple Display Output, IDS series. IDS series is the only small box PC that contains multiple display outputs. In real-time dashboard application, the dashboard contains visualizations that are automatically updated with the most current data available. These data visualizations offer a combination of historical data and real-time information that is useful for the production line to monitor efficiency. So processing these data is actually very time sensitive. The solution needs to work fast and also able to aggregate and summarize real-time data, just like IEI's IDS. IEI's other 2 small box PC series, DRPC and ITG, serves as great IoT gateways, enabling IoT communication, usually device-to-device communications or device-to-cloud communications. They house application software that performs essential tasks. At its most basic level, the gateway facilitates the connections between different data sources and destinations. In some cases, some sensors generate tens of thousands of data points per second. An IoT gateway provides a place to pre-process that data locally, minimizing the volume of data that needs to be forwarded onto the cloud or passed down to the edge server. This can also have a big impact on response time and network transmission costs. So taking LoRa communication as an example, II-DRPC serves as gateways, collecting data from various sensors set up across an area. The communication technology used between sensor devices and the gateway is LoRa. After pre-processing the data collected, DRPC then utilizes other wireless communication which are much faster, such as 4G or Wi-Fi, to transport these summarized data to the cloud or back-end server for further storage or analysis. This is the end of this short briefing for how II's embedded system applied in industrial application. I hope you have enjoyed this section. You can also follow II's other social media accounts to get the latest product information and company news. Don't forget to click like for the video and subscribe our channel for more exciting updates. Our premiere is on every Tuesday at 9 p.m. Don't miss it. See you soon. Bye.